Welcome to DataCycle Reporting from ApeSoft. In this tutorial, we're going to create an easy dashboard in Excel. One of the great things about DataCycle Reporting is the Easy Dashboard feature. As you'll see, creating a visually rich dashboard is just a matter of dragging and dropping charts and graphs into place. To get started, right-click on the main window and select New Report. This will bring up the Report Wizard. Click on the Easy Dashboard button. Here we need to enter a name for our report, and then we will select a query. Here we can choose the query that has the data elements we need for our report. I can choose individual data elements, but here I want to choose all of the data elements, and then click Next. Here I will let DataCycle Reporting interpret my data as numeric or non-numeric, and click Next again. At this point, we have completed all of the setup steps for our easy dashboard. Now I will open the design to drag and drop my dashboard components into place. I'm going to start by editing the dashboard template. First, I'll change the dashboard title. Then I'm going to follow the 3 simple steps shown here in the guide. Okay, let's get started. Click New. Have the option here to choose the slicers that correspond to my data fields. I'm going to select Year, Country, and Sales Rep. Notice the slicers now on the left here in the dashboard. I can change the layout of the slicers in a lot of ways. Here I'm changing the column layout. This will make this slicer a little smaller, and I can clean up the dashboard by moving the other slicers up into place. I don't need the guide any longer, so I will just delete that now. I'm ready to add my first pie chart to the dashboard, and I need to select the data fields associated with my chart. Let's go with Category and Revenue. Just delete this title, change the size, and move it into place. Okay, just right. Now I want to add a table showing my top 5 customers by revenue. So I select a top 10 dashboard table, choose Customers, then I choose the revenue field, and let's make this a top 5 list. Just move this into place. And now I'm going to add a bar chart to the dashboard. With an easy drag and drop, I can select Year and Revenue as my 2 axes. Clean this up a bit and resize my bar chart and drag it right into place. Okay, I will finish my easy dashboard with a line chart. This time I'll select month and revenue as my axes, and we will clean this up just a bit and drag that into place, and in about 1 minute we've made a great looking Excel dashboard. If I don't like purple very much, I can select several other colors from the palette: orange, green, maybe red. When I am finished with my design, I just hit Save and Exit. That returns me to DataCycle Reporting, where I can select Finish and Run. At this point, DataCycle Reporting runs the query we selected and populates the dashboard with data from our database. Okay, we can just click here on the report to open it up and see the results. And there we see our great looking Excel dashboard filled with actual data from our database. Using the Excel slicers, I can just click to see what's going on in my company by country. Maybe select a few countries of interest. Can also filter by sales rep to see how each person is doing in the regions of interest to me. Or I can select all in each slicer to get the big picture. And there you have it. That's the Easy Dashboard feature in DataCycle Reporting. It's an incredibly easy way to build visually rich, dynamic dashboards really fast. Be sure to check out all of the other DataCycle Reporting tutorial videos.